YouTube, it's your girl lasheavibez coming into you with another exciting video. Happy holidays. I hope you enjoyed the holidays. Today is the day after Christmas. Happy Boxing Day or whatever you celebrate. Just happy holidays to you and your family. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you my final reviews. I do this twist and pin up look. I love this look. I feel it's very easy, elegant, and especially if you've an individual who loves to wear just two strand twists and the twist is kind of getting kind of old, or maybe you're going out and want a more elegant done up look. It's always real cute. You just get you some bobby pins. I usually prefer a smaller bobby pin to do a look like this so you don't have the big bobby pins showing, and just pin the hair up. But in this video, I'm excited. This is going to be actually the second time I'm experiencing these hair products. I do have another video that I've recently recorded that I'll leave linked in cards and also below in the description box, so you can check that out after you review this video. This is my first time actually experiencing this, their thirst quenching, their quench line. So we're going to start off with the shampoo. It comes like this. Fortunately, but unfortunately, two of the products I picked up from the Curl Box warehouse sale, and you know, just going through and grabbing things, I grabbed it and it was already spilled. It was like down there when I actually opened the packaging, but all still good. But I really love this. If you check this out in my demo, you'll see how this lathered a little went a long way. Be sure to check out part 1 where I reviewed my other MICHE products that I picked up from the World Natural Hair Show here in Atlanta, Georgia. I guess the Intense Moisture line, because they all have that. I have 3 of their products. I have the shampoo, which I picked up from the Curl Box. They had a Curl Box warehouse sale and I paid little or nothing for this. I did notice that you see it's like way down here, so I don't know, it spilled out. I was just rushing and grabbed it, but it's the Cleanse Moisturizing Shampoo. It says Intense Moisture. It has a number 1 there, so that lets me know it's a number 1. And then I don't have the conditioner, so I will be using a different conditioner, but you'll see that at the beginning. This is going to be the leave-in styler in the Intense Moisture. This is a number 3 pump. I'll be doing that. And then we're going to follow up with the Hydrating Twist Butter. This says number 3 too, so I'm guessing you can use this as a styler. Okay, it says leave-in conditioner styler. That's cool. I'm going to use it as a leave-in, and then I'm going to layer it with this. And we're going to do a 2-strand twist. I'm just going to twist the hair out and probably just do like an elegant pin-up. So stay tuned for that. So first what we're going to do, this is the first time me using these products. I did use their other line. Again, check out the link in the description box. I'll also leave it linked in cards. Real creamy and runny in texture. Okay, I love the leather on that. Oh, it smells like it has like a lemongrass. Ooh, look at that leather, it's everything. Hear that? Hey, did it ran out? A lot of it ran out. This is so creamy. This is not a shampoo that you want to lose any of it, but I forget how much I paid for it. It was very inexpensive from Curl Box warehouse sale, so. But still, I want to enjoy it. I love this. And it smells good. It smells like something like candy or something, but love it. And my hair was extremely moisturizing. I also like how they have the numbers, so it actually shows you, you know, like, it actually shows you like what to use first versus what not to, because you'll actually see in this particular demo where I thought the leave-in conditioner was an actual leave-in and it's actually a styler. But anywho, so this was one, so I use this. I didn't have a conditioner for this one, so I did use my Palmer's Olive Oil Formula Shine Therapy conditioner. I do have a full product. I'll leave that in cards so you can check that out after you view this video. So then what I did was I followed up, like I mentioned. I love how they have these numbered, because then 2 would have been the conditioner, and then it says leave-in styler. The only thing I caught was leave-in, so this is a number 3, as well as the hydrating and twisting butter. They both have the 3, so they're both stylers. So I used a generous amount of this, so I guess I double hydrated the hair. My hair is freshly washed and conditioned, and it feels amazing. It feels amazing. It smells amazing. So now what we're going to move into is this Lavish leave-in conditioner. I didn't know it was a styler as well, so I guess I'll be double layering the Intense Moisture. So we're going to do that. Lavish is a moisturizing and detangling leave-in conditioner that will infuse dry hair with moisture-rich ingredients, leaving hair feeling soft and replenished. Lavish is an excellent detangler that will aid in melting stubborn knots and detangles make hair manageable. After washing and conditioning hair, apply lavish leave-in. To damp hair, rake the product evenly. Here we go with these nasals. Okay, there we go. Twist it and pop right up, okay. Oh, that smells good. It smells real soft and pretty, real light. That smells so good. As it states, my hair feels so light and soft. I'm just gonna do 2 strand twist and pin them, so we'll see how moisturized they feel, because I'm not going to unwrap them, so we'll see. But this is amazing. I like all these products so far. Again, we'll see what my hair looks like when it dries down. But I know most of the reviews and people that I know really like the MICHE products. That's why I was so excited to try them. And I did get to meet the owner at the World Natural Hair Show here in Atlanta. It'll be coming up again, believe it's in April. I'll leave the link to that video where I did my initial unboxing. I picked this up from them. She was very nice. I should have took a picture with her, but we were so busy talking. I did check their website. They do have a lot of nice limited edition. And this is really nice. What I'll do is I'll use this as my daily styler just to kind of hydrate my twist daily, because I plan to wear these for at least a week. So, and these products smell so pretty. Very, very light fragrance. If you're a person that don't like strong fragrance products, I suggest you to give these a try. And then I did the twisting butter, which was extremely thick. A little goes a long way with this as well. Okay, now we have the leave-in all through the hair. Now we're going to move into the quench hydrating twist. I thought the leave-in was just the leave-in by itself. I didn't know it was a styler, so we're going to double code. But that's okay, because I'm going to wear twist for the week, so. Now this looks kind of like, it kind of looks a little thin to me. Oh, it's really creamy. See, just looking at that, it looks like it would be like a cream, like a whip, but look at that. Yes, it's nice. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to evenly part my hair, and I'm going to do really that smells good too. I'm going to do really neat 2-strand twist all over, because like I mentioned, I'm going to wear it for the week, the eve of Christmas Eve, and I'm loyal to the soil. So I'm gonna twist these, and then I may do a tuck, a twist and tuck. I love that look, really elegant. Okay, here is the completed results of the 2-strand twist. What I'm going to do is I'm going to allow these to dry, and I'm going to pin them back. I'm going to do something really cute, something cute pin up maybe. We'll see how it goes, but I'm going to let the hair dry down, and I'll be back with my final reviews. Really nice cream custard. Really nice cream. And so what I did was I 2-strand twist the hair all over, allowed the hair to dry. We're 3 days in from wearing the twist. Well, I actually had a satin scarf on majority of the time, but wearing the twist, and they still really feel hydrated. My hair is so soft. I would love to see how it looks when I have it afroed out and styled wearing my raw set. So I will leave a blurb, a disclaimer. I'll just leave something just stating how the hair responded when it was out and not in the 2-strand twist. So if you've ever tried these products, let me know your thoughts. I have been so excited. I've been holding on to these products since April of this year. So finally got to get to them. Never disappointed. These are products here that I would definitely replenish. As always, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you rate, share, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Happy holidays.